What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of the Toy Story alien. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a circle for the center eye. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a small gap on either side and draw a slightly smaller circle. So let's start on the top left, come around, and then back up. And it'll line up on the right side and do the same thing, drawing that same side circle. Let's go to the middle of that center eye, draw a small circle for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Now on the sides, we're just going to pull these in. And we'll line it up on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down from the center of the mouth. Now on the end, we want to curl this around and then pull that up toward the side. Let's add a small bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now we're going to move in and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come in, round at the bottom, and go up on the right. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the lower lip. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's add a fold underneath the center eye, coming down and up, and then on the inside of the side eyes, adding one more fold. Now with the face complete, let's draw the top half of the head. From the corner of the mouth, we're going to step out, go up, go around the eyes, come across, and then down on the right. Let's go back to the left side, curve the head, coming down, and then in towards the collar. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, coming down underneath the mouth, and then back up. Now in the center of the head at the very top, we're going to add that antenna. Let's start with a circle, all the way around. Now underneath that circle, we're going to draw two straight lines coming down just up above the head. And then from the bottom, I'm just going to bend this down and then out. Let's add the ears on the side of the head. We'll start on the left, bend this out and up, and line it up on the right side. Now you want to round up the tip of the ear, come all the way down and in, and then curl up the earlobe. Let's add that fold inside the ear from the top, going out and then up, aiming towards the tip. Let's add that thick collar around the neck. From the ends, draw a bracket, and we'll close off the bottom with that same curve we have on top. Now from the side, we want to step down and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left, going out and then in towards the leg. Let's go to the right, going out and then in towards the same height. Now we want to curve the legs coming in and then down towards the center point. So we'll start with the left, coming in and then bending that down, go up and out. In the center, draw a straight line going up, and then we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's add the belt going across the body, starting on the left, come down, and then up, step up and draw that again. Let's add the buckle, leaving a gap in the center and draw two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now we're going to tuck the feet in underneath the body. From that center point, let's start with the left side, curve this down and then out, and do the same thing over on the right side. Let's go up to the outside of the leg, bend the foot, going out and then down. Let's add that Saturn pizza symbol on the right side. We're going to start with a curve from the bottom, bending this out and then up. Now we're going to move in, draw a half circle, going up and then down. From the ends, we're just going to bend this up and in towards the side of that half circle. Now you want to trace this along the outside. Starting from the left, going all the way around, up and then back in. Let's continue that half circle on the bottom, coming down and up. Now you want to stretch the arms out towards the side, starting from the bottom of the collar, curl the arm coming down and then out. And then from the wrist, let's draw the thumb. We're going to go up, then this down, and then in. Let's add 2 fingers on either side. Start from the side of the thumb, going out, around, and then in. Come down towards the bottom, add that second finger, coming around, and then up. Now from the bottom finger, curl the palm, coming down, and just bend that up towards the wrist. Now you want to close off the bottom of the arm, starting from the wrist, curl it down and up towards the side of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Toy Story alien. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.